When Mitchell Cole from Fabric was approached by a regular client to design their second family home, he was presented with a small suburban hillside plot with difficult access. It was a risky site that presented a challenge to which Mitchell responded by going vertical, using the height as a way of maximising the building's footprint on the site and securing both light and views in the sleepy and well-established Christchurch suburb of Mount Pleasant. The delicacy of the ground floor leads the eye to the well-proportioned block above. It is an open-plan, highly glazed social hub that makes the solidity of the first floor seem as if it was hovering above the ground. To compound the beauty of the floating solid volume, the architect chose linear oblique weatherboard by James Hardie to introduce a linear element, a feature that encompassed verticality to bring the proportions back into shape. The weatherboard was then customised with a rich, dark, colour steel flax pod resine element colour, taking on a darker finish while still being very low maintenance, something that was crucial to this project because of the difficult access to the site. This is a perfectly proportioned family home, defined by its clever use of site and volume, and enhanced infinitely by its exterior materiality.